So go to maintain.com, tell us what you think. In your opinion, what's the best project? So this is basically a battle of DeFi projects. We have Compound and we have Yearn Finance. Both of them very interesting projects. Compound really ushered in this entire DeFi movement. And then Yearn Finance, YFI, has kind of been called the Bitcoin for DeFi because it was what's called a fair launch. I know Richard has some comments on that as well. But Bill, tell us what you think from a TA perspective, for anybody who's trying to trade these two coins, which one is a better trade?
Is that Bill's question or mine?
Bill. We can't hear you, Bill. You're on mute.
Okay, sorry about that. So this may be the first time on Crypto Showdown where I go none of the above.
Really?
Well, I mean, here's Yearn on a 4-hour chart. So this count indicates that, you know, that they were done selling it, but no one has started buying it, right? Compound, it's sort of the same thing, only the catch is it looks like everyone gave up on it right here. You know, that feels like people giving up, especially when you've had all these other big red candlesticks. People got really enamored with YFI, and then I think they're going to get discouraged. So if I had to make an answer, I would say Compound, only because, you know, Yearn's got great technology, but it seems like people are exhausted trying to trade it back and forth.
Okay. Richard?
I wouldn't buy either of those coins.
Now, because you're in Hex,
or
or
long
just
list of reasons, but I'm not trying to make enemies of the communities. So it's like,
okay. So, I mean, if we pull up Token Metrics and looking at the short-term trading grade, if we had to pick between the two, so if we just go to YFI, so we think right now it's overvalued based on its market cap as a short-term trade, while Compound is more undervalued. So if we had to pick between the two, we would pick Compound. If we go to a long-term perspective, still bullish on Compound as well, still undervalued relative to where it is. And if we go to YFI, also somewhat undervalued, but Compound looks like the better long-term at the moment. But tell us what you think down in the comments below with Crypto Showdown. So actually, sorry, going back to, let's see what the community says. So the winner is Compound. So Crypto Family has spoken. Compound is the best project out of the two currently, but not financial.
It's like, would you rather get, this is a good, a wholesome show. Never mind.
Well, maybe just button it up, whatever you're about to say.
Would you rather have this bad thing happen to you or that bad thing? It's like you're leading the witness.
Well, I mean, well, to be fair, we only have two options in this Crypto Showdown, and these are very popular projects in the crypto community right now, right?
Yeah. But there's a fallacy named after it called false binary choice. But
false binary choice. Yeah, true. But it's a poll. It's kind of like the U.S. election.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Moving on to the next segment.